DIY home decor. So here I am at the Dollar Tree looking at the graduation stuff, guys. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. So I bet you can't guess why I'm in this aisle. And yes, there's two of us graduating this year and I am so excited. I'm so proud of my son. And honestly, after the amount of work we had this year, I'm so proud of myself too. So look at this. It's a little cowbell. And I never seen these class of 2025 in pink. And there it is over there in the purple. So I'm kind of liking these cute little cups with the lid. And then they have this kind of tumblers. So they have the hats over there and then the gold. Alright, so they have the tinsel, and then this is the centerpiece. Congrats, grad, well done. Very nice, and I like this 2025 back here. Let's see. And this one I think has the mirror. Isn't that nice? I'm liking that. And then you have the certificate holder there. And these are the graduation hats. And this is a garland, guys. So I've never seen this one. And look how big this 2025 is. I like the table scatter, the foam scatter, because I always craft with those. And these are really nice. So if you haven't seen these star plates, guys, they're heavy duty and they're great. So they have them in silver and the gold. And then here are the mugs. Okay. And then it said, this is a hanging decoration, and these are little gift bags. Okay, so let's see. We have some wall decor down here. Okay, some more of these graduation, like these are stemless, or actually these remind me of glasses, not stemless. And you have the stickers down there. So I've never seen the stickers. Okay, goodbye school, hello future. And these are pop-ups, LED figure lights, and here are the beach balls. Aren't they cute? So this is the aisle with all the graduation stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.